Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs on the top and fix this band on the hairs. Now fix the hairs in the between of the bands like this one by one and take it till the end or the length of the band like this. Now at the end we will tie the hairs using the rubber band, make a ponytail and your hairstyle will be ready. Next we will be making the ponytail and then we will fold it upward and fix this bun clip. Now fold the hairs on the top and then tie it like this from the end. Now after that we will fold the hairs and spread it and fix it using the bun pin like this. Fix it and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then we will rotate the hairs. Now after that we will tie the ponytail. Now after tying the ponytail, tie the hairs from the between like this and fix it. Now fold it upward and spread the hairs and then fix it like this using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next we have to make a ponytail like this. Tie the hairs. Now tie the hairs from the end like this. So first make a ponytail and fix the hairs in the half and then pull it backward. Now fix the hairs inside the hairs and then cover the hairs from the top and then spread it and then tie the ponytail or just put the rubber band like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next we'll be taking the hairs from the sides and put the hair clip along with it. Now take the hairs from the other side in the small sections, roll it like this and then fix it inside the hair clips one by one. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next make a ponytail and then we will fold the hairs like this upward. Now tie the hairs from the top or just roll it down and tie it from the bottom and then fix it inside the hairs and put the hair clutch over it. Now spread the hairs and it's ready. Next we have to take the hairs, roll it like this and fix it inside the hair clip. Now after that take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it inside the hair clips on the alternative sides. Fix it as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next make a ponytail. Now take this bun plate and then fold the hairs upward and then spread it from the sides. Take the hairs and fix it like this. Spread the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next we'll be putting the hair bun pin on the side and it's done. Next we have to take the hairs from the sides and put the hair clip. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it inside the middle section of the hair clip like this. Roll it one by one and fix it inside the hair clip as shown in the video. Take the hairs like this and fix them one by one like this. Keep fixing the hairs as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around the bun stick like this. Now after that tie the hairs from the end and then we will fold it and roll it and make a bun like this. Fold the hairs and fix the hair clip or the bun pin on the side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next we'll be making a ponytail. Now tie the hairs, roll it like this and then fold it upward like this and fix it. Fold the hairs and fix it using the bun pin as shown in the video or hair clutch and it's ready. So first take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and roll it using the fingers and fix it like this and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle is ready. First we'll make the ponytail like this all together and then join the hairs by folding it upward using the fingers. Roll it like this on the top and put the hair clutch to fix the hairs and make a bun. Thanks for watching our video.